Hello, you have a lot of data. You have a data set that has a lot of information that is big, and you do not want to use the traditional mechanism of applying filter to search for what you are doing. You can do a lot using the developer tab by simply putting in a search box. Just like I have here, just watch. I'm going to search for a name. Yeah, let me search for a name. Let me search for okay, let me search for Harry song comes. Okay, so if I want to search for Ike Sheromi, it gives me Ike Sheromi, the state and the city he came from. Okay, as a sales agent or sales rep. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do this from start to finish. Follow me as I create a new sheet and then show you how I was able to create do this to create this entire search box that is going to help me navigate searching for different sales agents in their various states and cities. So I'm going to click here to add a new sheet. But what I don't want to do from afresh is typing these words or these sales agents. I'm just simply going to copy. Okay, I'm simply going to copy and then paste here. All right, so follow me. I'm going to copy and paste it here. And then I press alternate HOI. That is shortcut for expanding the width of my columns. And the next thing I'm going to go copy from here is the steps. I have already written it down for us to follow. I've copied it. I wrote it down in a text box. I'm going to then copy and I paste it here. Okay, so this is the step. So the first step is if you don't have the developer tab on your Windows, this is how you can simply insert it. Just come here on any, this is your ribbon, Excel ribbon. On any of these tabs, just right click on it and then click on customize the ribbon. When you click on customize ribbon, come to this right hand side. Okay, come to this right hand side and then search for developer. Mine is ticked. Okay, and if yours is not ticked, just toggle it on and then click OK. And then when you do this, you will have it inserted. If you don't have it on the right hand side, you can search for it here. And then when you click on it, like let me say I want to add this now. If I click on fill color, I will click on add. It comes to this place. Okay, but I don't want that. So that is how to insert your developer tab. Mine is already toggled on. So when you toggle it on, you click OK and it appears on your Excel ribbon. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to insert any shape design that I'll be needing for my search bar. So to do that, I'm going to use insert and then come to a shape. Let's use any of the shapes here. Okay, let's use this one. Yes, I'm going to use this one and then I'm going to I'm going to click this shape here. Okay, and I'll drag it up. Okay, and I try to increase the size. So when I have it this way, I'll reduce the size a bit. Okay, so I have it now. I have it inserted. So I'm going to format this shape to look like the Excel. So I'll come to this place and click format, and then the shape fill should be green. Okay, I formatted it to be green. Next shape I'm going to be inserting is my rectangular shape. Okay, I'm going to click same at shapes and then I look for the rectangular shape. So I'm going to click and drag this, okay, to appear here. And this is what I have. I have my rectangular shape. So now I'm going to format this my shape to have shape format. So I go to shape fill. I'll click no fill. I don't want it to show any color because that is where we're going to be imputing all the names we're going to be searching. No fill, and then the outline is still going to be green, and then I'll come and increase the width of the outline. Outline is this is an outline, so I'm going to increase the width so that I can see it very well. Okay, and then if I click out, what I have is, okay, I'm clicking back on it, shape format. So the shape outline is green. Okay, so this is what I have, right? That's what I have. So I'm going to click on it again and then push it closer to that. So the last thing I'm going to be inserting is that search icon. To do that, you have to have your, what do you call it, you have to have your system or your PC connected to the internet to do that. You have to have your PC connected to the internet to do that. So now mine is connected to the internet. I connected it to the internet. Use your hotspot, connect your Wi-Fi for you to be able to search for what illustrations. So I'm going to click insert and then go to illustrations and look for what icons. On the icon, that's why I said you need your internet. You need to search for what internet. So I click on search. When I click search, it shows me this. I'm going to be picking this one. So I tick on it and I click what insert. Yes, fine. I have it inserted. The next thing I'm going to be doing is what to reduce the size so it could be able to fit into this green bar. I'm going to reduce the size. From here, I'll reduce the size. I have it reduced. I have it reduced. I have it reduced. Okay. So I will drag it to the point that it fits into this green shape I created. Okay. So I have it there and I click on format graphics and I'll now say outline and make it white. Okay, no, so not outline, the field, make it fill, make it white. Okay, so this is it now. Now I have something that looks like my what search bar. Next thing now I'm going to be doing is what. First of all, I want to have a sales agent here. Sales agents. The names I want it to be showing here. So if it is here and I type it inside this box, let them show here. Sales agents, state, and what? Sorry, I'm not typing that correctly. State and what? City. Okay, that is it. And then I try to increase this. I double click here. Okay, so now that you have this here, Control B to bold. I'm going to go. Remember, I told you what to toggle on your developer tab. The next thing I'm going to be doing now to go to my developer tab. Go into my developer tab. I'll click on Insert. Search for. There's a box they call what is it? Active Control Box. Okay, search for it. It's somewhere here. This is it. Right, text box active X control. Click on it and then come inside this bar that you have, this rectangular bar, and then drag to fit. So once you have done this, next thing you're going to be doing is you right click on that box that you have just inserted from your developer tab. Right click on it and then go to properties. And when you go to properties, this stuff shows up a toggler. What am I going to call this? Okay, I'm going to call this a flying out a dialog box for this active box that you just inserted from developer. Scroll down to linked cell. There's no cell linked here. So now what I want to do is what for me to be able to link a cell to the search box that I just inserted. So now I'm going to click in and link in C3. Watch C3. I'm going to click and link in C3. The reason is because it's on column C and 3 that it should be linking in. Whatever I type should link to that, okay? And when I do that, I am going to quickly use a formula to do what? To finish up my linkage. I'm going to for my search, okay? So now I've linked this stuff to this place and I'm now going to be using a formula to do my entire search. So by the time I start typing in my search box, all the names that are on my sales or my data will be showing. So I'll just click here and I press equal to. The formula is filter. Okay. When I click filter, I open my my I put out a bracket. I use tab to select that. I said filter. So once it comes up here, just press tab, it selects. Okay. So what are you filtering? You want to filter from here to here. Okay. The whole of this range. This is your data, comma, filter, comma. Are you with me? Filter, okay, comma is the next thing. Okay, comma. Next we are going to be doing is number. Search for is number. Okay, use your arrow key to navigate down and then tab to select. So once you select, the next you're going to be doing is what? Search. So now we're going to be searching. Search will come out. So search is here. Use tab to select. So what are you searching? You want to be able to search. Remember you were able to you linked this cell. You linked somewhere here, right? So we link this. So what I'm going to do is search for C3, okay, comma. So now I'm searching for C3, which is the linked cell for my search box. You will see it has already highlighted it red. And then I'm going to search for all these one by one. Column this, okay, and use your ampersand. This ampersand, look for it on your keyboard, okay. And then as you have searched for that, next is what you search for state too, okay, the range. and what you press ampersand, and then what are you searching for? The city. Okay, and when you have done this, close your bracket twice. Okay, and then press comma and open up two in quotation marks, that's two double quotes, and then close the whole bracket and press enter. Now you have what you want. Okay, the last thing you're going to do is, since you have done this, you cannot be able to search until you do one thing. The next thing you're going to do is what? Just go back to your developer tab, and this stuff that is here is design mode. You are trying to design your search box, so just click on it to toggle it off, and as you have toggled it off, just come here and close this. You are now good to go to search for whatever you want to search for. Once I type ek, let me increase this. It shows me all the IKEs that I have, and then I can decide to now still keep typing. So if someone calls you, your manager calls me and say, please give me, where is Chills Femi working, or which Chills Femi sales agent, which state and city does he sell, so or work with? You just type Chills Femi. Okay, and it gives you this, so you can actually use this to wow your audience, probably in a presentation ground or with your managers or stakeholders, and you have a large data set and you quickly want to do some little effigy. You want to do some little effigy, you can just quickly do this, and you wow them as you go through your search, instead of using what the traditional filter mode. Thank you so much, and keep uh, waiting for more of our updates on little tutorials and skills you can use on Microsoft Excel, Power BI, and soon we'll be diving into SQL very soon. We'll soon be dropping videos on SQL, that is structured query language, the language of every database. Thank you. Just keep staying with us. If you are here, like, subscribe to get bell notifications whenever we drop videos. Bye.